Hello students, welcome to my channel. In our last video, we have discussed the introduction of Mendelian disorders, and one by one we will discuss all the disorders. So today we are going to discuss color blindness. So what is the meaning of color blindness? Blindness means कि जब हमें दिखाई ना दे. Color means कि color, कोई भी color, there are the different colors लाइक रेड, ग्रीन, येलो. कुछ पर्सन आपने देखा होगा उनको जो ब्लू कलर और ब्लैक कलर उसमें वो डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर पाते, और कुछ पर्सन जो हैं रेड और ग्रीन कलर में डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर पाते. सो दैट इज़ द कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. सो दिस कलर ब्लाइंडनेस इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ डिसीज़. आप एकदम हैरान हो गए होंगे कि अगर हमें कलर ही दिखाई नहीं दे रहा तो वो भी एक डिसीज़ है. येस, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ disease. And color blindness, it is named as sex linked recessive disease. So why we are calling it the sex linked? Because the defected gene which cause the disease, that is present on the sex chromosomes, so it is known as sex linked. And why it is known as recessive, that you come to know when we will discuss this complete disease. Okay, so what happen in this disease? A person which have this disease, that is unable to differentiate between the red and the green color, because the red and the green cone cells of our eye that are affected in this type of disease. So if a person, if he is unable to differentiate in the red color, then this disease is known as proteronopia. This word come in your exam, that what is the meaning of proteronopia. So proteronopia for the red color, and green color deuteranopia. You can learn it very easily. Dew means mountain dew. जो माउंटेन ड्यू होती है वो कैसे कलर की होती है? ग्रीन कलर की. तो जो ग्रीन कलर की जो डिसीज़ होगी, ग्रीन कलर को जो डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर पाएगा, तो इसके हिसाब से इसको हम बोलेंगे ड्यूटेरोनोपिया. सो आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड द रेड. इफ़ द रेड कलर इज़ नॉट डिफ्रेंशिएटेड, then the proteronopia, and if green color cells are affected or a person is unable to differentiate in the green color, then the deuteranopia. So here you can see the person, he is unable to differentiate between the red and the green color, and we are calling this color blindness the sex linked disease. So in this case the sex chromosomes are affected, and in case of male the sex chromosome, that is X and Y, and in case of female sex chromosomes are X and X. And here one record is written here, one value is written here, that 8% and 0.4%. So what is this? The frequency of this disease, that is more in case of male, but it is less in case of female. So why it happened? Let us discuss. So in this disease, the sex chromosome means the X chromosome, that is affected. So the gene present on the X chromosome, that is mutated, and due to the mutation in the gene there will be this disease. Sorry. So there will be the mutation in this chromosome, and this chromosome is sex chromosome. And why we are calling that probability or the frequency in case of male, that is more, but in case of female that is less. Let's take example. So what is the genotype of the male? That is X and Y, because in case of male one X chromosome from the mother and one Y chromosome from the father. So X chromosome is affected. So if in this case this X chromosome that is affected, means on this X chromosome the defected gene is present, X, C, we can take the symbol of color blindness C and Y. Then this male is color blinded, or color blindness is there because there is no role of Y chromosome for this disease, and if only one chromosome that is affected, then also this disease can occur. So this possibility that is more. How? Let's take other example. In case of female, that is the normal female, X and X, normal female. But if any X chromosome out of these two, if that is affected like this, so in this case also this female, that is normal. Why? Because the defected gene which is inherited in a recessive manner, जो डिफेक्टेड जीन है जो एक्स क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर प्रेजेंट होगा, वो इस डिसीज़ में इनहेरिटेड हो रहा है रिसेसिव मैनर में. मींस अगर वो एक क्रोमोसोम पे प्रेजेंट है तो जो दूसरा क्रोमोसोम होगा, नॉर्मल क्रोमोसोम, वो डोमिनेंट हो जाएगा और वो उस डिसीज़ को एक्सप्रेस नहीं होने देगा, और इसलिए हम इसको बोलेंगे सेक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव. मीन्स जो डिसीज़ वाला जीन है अगर वो एक क्रोमोसोम के ऊपर प्रेजेंट है तो उससे डिसीज़ नहीं होगी इन केस ऑफ फीमेल. बट इन केस ऑफ मेल ओनली एक्स क्रोमोसोम इज़ देयर. अगर एक सिंगल एक्स क्रोमोसोम पे ही वो डिफेक्टेड जीन प्रेजेंट होगा तो भी डिसीज़ हो जाएगी. सो वी आर कॉलिंग दिस डिसीज़ द सेक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव. सो हेयर XCX normal female, so we can say the dominant gene that is more, and that is the normal. The dominant gene on which that defected gene is not present, that is the dominant chromosome, and the affected is in the recessive manner, means affective gene that expressing itself in a recessive manner, so it is the recessive disease. Now if this condition is there, now that female is normal, but that is the carrier, because in this case if a male having the color blindness and the female that is the carrier, in the next generation there is the possibility of the color blinded female. We will take example also, we will do the cross for that also. So firstly you understood, I think, why we are calling it the recessive, because the defected gene which is expressing itself in a recessive manner, if it is not present on the both the chromosome, both the X chromosome, then it is not expressed. But it is, if it is present on both the chromosome, then it is expressed in case of female. So there is the possibility, less possibility in case of female 0.4% and more possibility in case of male, that is 8%. So by this conclusion I think you can write, if you are writing X Y, then that is the normal male. If you are writing X C Y, that is color blinded male. And if X and X, that is normal female. If XC and X, that is the carrier female, and XC and XC, that is color blinded female. Color blinded female. So I think you understood. So if these types of genotypes are given, then you can tell that what type of disease it is, or if it is the normal male member or normal female member. So the symbol for that we will discuss in pedigree analysis also. So let's start here, that for the symbol we are showing the round circle for the female and this type of shape for the male. And if I am just darking it पूरा इसको डार्क कर रही हूँ मैं, सो दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन, दैट फीमेल, दैट इज़ अफेक्टेड। और अगर आप इसको भी डार्क कर रहे हो, सो दैट मीन्स दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अफेक्टेड। और कैरियर के केस में आप इसको हाफ अगर इसको डार्क कर रहे हो, सो दैट इज़ द कैरियर। सो ये सिंबल्स हम पेडिग्री एनालिसिस में भी पढ़ेंगे। पहले हम ये सारे डिसीज़ पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर हम पेडिग्री एनालिसिस टॉपिक भी पढ़ेंगे। सो एक एग्ज़ाम्पल लेके, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस का एग्ज़ाम्पल लेके हम इसको और अच्छे से समझेंगे। Now with the help of the cross, this topic will be more clear to you all. So firstly, we have to take normal female or the normal women and the color blinded man. So for the normal women, what you will write the genotype, that is X and X, and for the color blinded, X, C and Y. After that, the gametes. So in this case, there are the two gametes are produced. In case of this, XC or the Y. These are the sperms, these are the ova, or you can say the egg, because these are the gametes. And gametes in case of male, sperms in case of female, the ova are there. Now what will be the possibility of color blindness in the progeny? First, X and XC. Second, XY. Then X and XC. Then X and Y. So what will be the percentage here? What will be the phenotype of this carrier women? What that is the normal होगी, इसको डिसीज नहीं होगी और ये कैरियर रहेगी। Here normal male, here also the carrier women and normal male. So with the help of this cross, you can understand that what will be the percentage and how the possibility of transferring of the characters. So that is the, because one X, that is the normal women is there, so both the chromosomes not having the defective gene, so XX, but here only on one chromosome this gene is present, so disease is here, and that is the cross. Let's take another example. Here we have to take the carrier women at the place of normal women. So carrier women and color blinded man, that will remain same. So carrier women is there, so XC, X and cross color blinded man, so XCY gametes, XC and X, here XC and Y. So these are the gametes, these are the egg and these are the sperms. Now the progeny. So what will be the possibility? First XC and XC. In the second case, XC C and Y, then X and XC, then X and Y. So here the different possibility is present. So you can say here that is the affected female, affected male, color blinded, male. Here the carrier female and normal male. Carrier female and normal male. So with the help of these cross, you understood that the possibility of the color blindness in case of female, that is less as compared to the males. In case of male, the color blindness possibility that is more, and mostly the females that are the carriers, because only on one chromosome the defective gene is present and that is recessive. So this disease is sex linked recessive disease. Okay, so that is about color blindness, and I think you understood this topic very much clearly. And if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.